So let's say you've got some equipment or machinery and you want the boys to say how long they've been on that machine so that you can then invoice out. What you can do is you can add in the machinery to NextMinute and you can add any buy or sell prices, and none of the crew are going to see those details. So what it will mean is it'll allow the boys to say, yeah, I was on the bulldozer for, let's say, 8 hours and this is what I got done. And that will create a charge straight to the job. So how it will look like to the boys is very simple, to be honest with you. So they'll just come in here and they'll go to timesheets. They'll click say plus on Wednesday, select the job that they were using, and let's say they were using the excavator. Come in here, maybe they did 9 hours on it, or they can set the time range. All works have been completed. Do a little description about whatever it was, and then that charge has been added straight to the job. So it's really good because one, you can track how long the boys are on the machine. So for any maintenance with like diesel fitters and things coming out, and as well, you can have a summary of the works for the client too.